Bumper time.
Be on the wrong side. I got it on video too. That's going in the video.
I've been working on old Honda recently, unfortunately.
All right, so
footage coming soon of that.
Yeah, footage coming soon of Joel's car. But
no, I'm talking about I worked on my car. I didn't want to.
Oh yeah, that video. That's another one. Depending on where this one is, you may have already seen it, or it might be coming out.
I love gold. The smell of it.
But tell them what we're doing tonight, Nick.
Put a new grill and front bumper on. Well, not new, but
repainted bumper.
The carbon grill I had in there, I already re-cleared twice, and the gel coat is so bad on the hood. On the hood grill that I'm not happy with it. So I went back to an OEM one, and while I did, I went ahead and repainted the bumper cover and the Mugen front lip. And we got the re-cleared the
little side pieces. Here. Yeah, there's over here.
They are.
Right here.
They turned out pretty good, I think.
Yeah, those look really good. And there's a new grill up there on the toolbox. So let's get to it. Let's get this shit on.
New grill, even.
Okay. Does anybody else want to do YouTube with me? All right, it's been about an hour and a half, and all Nick got on was the lip, half of it. Hey, buddy, what's taking so long?
What?
Why has it been so long?
It has not been that long, dude. You're not stupid as they come.
It's been about 3.5 minutes. We're going to start piecing this thing back together.
I wouldn't film this, thank you.
Why does this have 47 pieces for the front?
Please don't film this.
You forget where everything goes?
Bumper time.
The bumper is on.
Sorry, dog. I don't see what I'm looking up coming down.
We installing about the 50th plastic piece for the front bumper.
All the clips.
Getting the underside done. Hurry up.
Shut up, you fucked up.
How you do that again? I wasn't recording.
OEM. Honda.
Yep. Idiot. Hurry up and put the symbol on the front. I want to record that. We could hit it with like some opera music when you go to put it on. Yeah, exactly.
So happy to go on there. Why did you put it upside down? But you can't do that because you got these poly holes. Honda.
You're missing something, dude.
Clean.
What are you putting on?
How did everybody say it wrong?
Yeah, we got roasted last time for saying it wrong.
Mugen?
It's Mugen, I think. Mugen. You know what? I don't care, honestly.
You don't care.
The correct pronunciation is Mugen.
We just put on whatever that says.
Says hot boy shit.
Don't push me.
Get the fuck out of the way.
You get the fuck out of my way.
You're getting real brave because you're on camera.
Are you putting the mesh screens back in those?
Do they have mesh screens in here?
Wait, what had the mesh screens?
You did have mesh screens too, didn't they, or not?
I don't remember.
No, they did.
Yeah, they did.
That was your bad phone out or what?
I like it better without it. I took them out of my fucking carbon fiber hood
I wonder
because
if you're gonna see the dirt in there.
pressure washer will take care of that.
Shoot.
Crack.
I was waiting for it to
That doesn't look bad without it. Just need to get the dirt that's behind there, but there's not a lot. I think it looks better without it. I think that chicken wire shit looks cheesy, you know?
Yeah.
Cheap, you know? Especially on a carbon fiber piece. All right. That's in. So we'll get the other side in, and that'll be about it.
Oh, yeah, it's cold.
Love you, dog.
You leaving?
I gotta get some food to eat, bro.
You about to leave?
Later, buddy.
Good to see you, brother.
Yep, same to you.
One eternity later.
Get that shit